You know, I've got a great idea for these strawberry seeds. See? Any doll can be a chia pet. Time for a trim. And remember, the girl with free snacks on hand is always the life of the party. Just remember to share. Wow, that's bad. You didn't even put your name on it. Soda covers all of life's little problems. Marshmallows, too. Chocolate? Frosting? Wow, really raiding the pantry. Why not add a lollipop on top? Press the button and let it go. Let it flow. A toy. We should probably clean him off. I mean, he was just in the toilet. Probably best to pluck off those worms. Ah, much better. Did we remember to puppy-proof this room? Guess not. Might as well get a sponge. Let's just give him some teeth. Add some eyes while we're at it. This should put some spring in his step. Now our dog has a brand new toy. Surprise! What? You thought we were going to use that sponge to clean? Now where did you last put that pumpkin? No matter. We'll make do with this melon. First, let's make it nice and clean. Add a base. Now it's time to put on your face. Sort of. Let's see. Eyebrows? Eyelashes? Not to mention eyeshadow. How about lips? For that fresh kissed look. Can't forget the wig. Say goodbye to bad hair days. These whiteboard markers really help you personalize your laptop. Now let's liven up that keyboard. Enough of that. No, it's not lunchtime. Draw on the spoon and give it a good dip. Look, it comes right off. Like a duck to water. And not just the duck ones either. Soak your hand and you've got temporary tattoos. Why not give your head a good soak too? Okay, we really need to fix up these shoes. And this toy car might be just what we need. Make sure to give it all a nice coat of paint. How about some gummy bears too? Time to take these puppies for a ride. Maybe she should be wearing a helmet. At least the skates are getting some air. Oh, so that's where I left my pet spider. Don't be scared. Spiders can be fun. I'll show you. Take some cardboard. Now you'll need to cut out a circle. Poke 8 holes around the rim. Make sure to leave room for the eyes. Now add a fresh coat of paint. Add the eyes. Let's just have 2 for now. Use some old twist ties for legs. Take out a straw and you can make it dance. Oh, it looks like someone made a new friend. I'm sure we can handle 2 spiders. Oh, look, fresh eggs! Just the thing for our new chicken toy. Give its wing a good squeeze and watch it go. Wow, a golden egg. No, even better, chocolate. Ah, does it have a caramel filling too? A white one? Oh, look, you can squeeze this one. Cup stacking tournament, here we come. Wait, don't take from the bottom. Oh no! So why did you need the cup? Oh, a craft. Just make some cuts. Add a glass bowl, and it's a gumball machine. Just add gumballs. Then again, that candy's not doing any good in there. That's more like it. Now let's start blowing. Wow. Where'd you say you got these candles again? That little shop that wasn't there yesterday, you say? And you had a coupon for that chicken?
Cool.
Oh, it's got a wick too. Let's light it up, shall we? Oh wow, it's like a firecracker. Wait, it laid you a balloon. It's egg-colored. Just what we need for our collection. But the real fun is seeing what's inside the eggs. Wow, glitter, confetti. And look, there's even a baby chick. We've got our very own coop. Soon, he'll grow up and lay even more balloons. You know, if you think she drinks too much soda, there are nicer ways to tell her. Like, oh, I don't know, telling her. Well, at least we've got the bottle to play with. Cut a shape out of a toilet paper roll. Add some eyes, maybe a muzzle, and some ears. Now stick a straw in the middle and place in the bottle. Give it a good squeeze, and you can make him dance. Who said only cats like playing with yarn? In fact, we could play with it too. Ooh. Take a strand and add to an empty pen case. Give this piece of paper a sticky surface. And you can use the yarn to write with. Think of all the different shapes you can make. Or even a whole work of art. That picture's refrigerator worthy. I guess everyone's a critic. Ice cream. Oh, careful, it's about to fall. Phew, our handy-dandy colander caught it. While we're at it, let's add some whipped cream. And not just on the ice cream either. Ooh, we'll need some candy toppings too. All kinds. Hurry, we don't want the ice cream to melt.
Cool.
You know, the colander's not the only thing that could use a bit of a makeover. Let's add something on top. Ooh, an apple. Just as long as it's not a cherry. Too small. Dig in. Try not to bite into the colander. The best giant cupcake is the ice cream-filled kind. Gadget-orific stuff. Time for a shower. Sorry, we ran out of bubble bath. Meanwhile, let's give our teeth a good brushing. No wonder this thing was so hard to squeeze. Besides, a head's supposed to go on top. Toothpaste as a shampoo? I just thought it was good for treating pimples. Gesundheit! How did that get up there? Well, while it's here, let's blow it up. Make me a snake. Wait, a worm. No, an eel. Even better, someone to watch TV with. She'd probably hog the remote anyway. Ooh, what's in here? Look, a marble! Perfect stocking, balloon stuffer. Secure it with a rubber band and fold it up. Now fill it up. Well, that's one way to do it. Add some eyes, maybe a mouth, whatever you want. The gang's all here. This stuffed bear has a special surprise for us. She's going to be a mommy. Now, you might feel a slight pinch. Aw, he looks just like his father. Let's clean him up and give Mama Bear her bundle of joy. Okay, who left the box on? Oh, a paper cup? Ugh, the maggots got into the recycling bin again. Clean it up and give it a fresh coat of paint. Maybe add a little orange around the holes. Now, who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Here's a trick. Blow out a candle and put him on top. Is anyone else in the mood for donuts? Gotta be something good in here. Is that? Could it be? Yes, we've got bubble wrap. Speaking of popping, oh, look at that pimple. Stand back, it's gonna blow! Wait, are you collecting it? Good idea. We can make these bubbles extra squishy. And look, you could cut out your own face mask. Cue the cucumbers. Oh, what a picture! We should get it framed. Here's an idea. Take an empty plastic bottle. Now it's time to crank out the searing iron. Burn holes at the bottom and cut some slits. Add some wires. Run it through each hole. Now we've got our own Demogorgon puppet. Let's add some color, like nice bright ketchup red. A row of teeth add just the right touch. Not to mention a nice velvety exterior. What's next? Could it be TP? Probably don't need that first square. Add tape on a few gadgets, and soon it becomes electric toilet paper. It's like a super-powered adding machine. Don't forget to roll it up when you're done. Oh no! We unleashed the mummy's wrath! Time to hydrate. Okay, this cup doesn't know how to cup. Add plastic wrap and draw something. Some light will bring your shadow puppets to the next level. This puppy's practically a bouncing ball. Looks like we're gonna have a full show tonight. Is that a leaf? Take a tissue, preferably clean, and roll it up. Scrunch it up and add some colors. Ooh, green with brown spots. Take it off. Add a straw and a skewer on the leaf, and you've got a dancing caterpillar. Now it's party time, and we've got a full house. You know what they say about the early bird? Never mind. Look, a cute little unicorn with wings. Oh, it's got a cut. Let's make it bigger. Add a tube between the two halves. Don't forget to keep it in place with hot glue. Make it as long as you want. It's part unicorn, part Pegasus, and now part wiener dog. Come on now, let's do the twist. You're never fully dressed without a tiara. Your doll could use a few accessories. Like pants. Well, we can always make something for her. After all, the fun of a fashion doll is the fashion. A nice floral print is just a little hammering away. Look, we got 2 prints for the price of 1. Now it's time to show off your doll's new outfit. And we've got the perfect accessory, a bouquet. Hey, look, it's blue. Just yellow. Give him a straw and a paper clip. Now let him have a swim inside this bottle. Make them go up and down. They just need a little push. Who wants to hear a guitar solo? Wish it was real. Hey, you've got a little something in your teeth. Well, take some floss and add it to cardboard. Carve out a guitar shape and decorate it. It's a classic look, but let's add some stickers. The more the merrier. Now let's play. Does she take requests? There's a treasure trove right here under the couch. What wonderful thing does our box have in store for us? What do you know? Another box! A paper box! And what's the fun of paper without a little drawing? Uncooked pasta? There's an easy fix. Boil some water. Nah, too complicated. Let's make some macaroni art. Add some polish to water and swirl it up. Now give those noodles a nice dip. Your phone is now a work of art. Show it off. I think this is one of those bigger on the inside boxes. Finished with your gum? Roll it into a ball and add inside a cut balloon. Add it to cardboard and cover it with paper. What else can we add? Good idea. Eyes. And a crown. Give it a good squeeze, and he's blowing a bubble too. Did you get your hand stuck in something? Ooh. Take some paper and fold into a thin rectangle. Fold it into a square, kind of like an accordion. Make a few and connect them together. Keep going until you've gone full circle. Look what happens when you twist it around. You can make it twist and turn again and again. Or at least until your hands get tired. Paper amazing stuff. Catch you next time.